Hala Caole.
I'm gonna step on the gas and be a
So, what's up guys? At nandiyan ang deadlines kaya kailangan ko nang gawin ang aking project. Ako si Caole at ito ang aking bio vlog. Let's go!
So I first started cutting the styrofoam ball in a 1/4 cut to represent the cytoplasm and cell membrane of the cell. Cytoplasm acts as a buffer and protects the genetic material and cellular organelles of the cell, while the cell membrane acts as a protective wall and provides a fixed environment inside the cell. It also transports nutrients into the cell while a toxic substance sends it out. Next, I started making the organelles. I first formed the nucleus and nucleolus using blue and red clay, since it is the center part of the cell. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell, while the nucleolus is the one that contains the genetic materials. Next is the powerhouse, which we call the mitochondrion. This organelle is the one who creates the energy throughout the cell for it to function. In forming vacuole, I used red clay. This organelle serves as storage, ingestion, digestion, excretion, and expulsion of excess water. Next are lysosomes, are membrane-bound cell organelles that contains digestive enzymes. I used the yellow clay since it is the most fitting. Same with Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. It is responsible for packaging proteins into vesicle prior to secretion. For the endoplasmic reticulum, I use green clay for the smooth while I mix red and blue for the rough. However, it failed so bad, it did not turn purple as I expected. Its general function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function. Lastly, the ribosomes. I just used a marker to put tiny dots in random places in the styrofoam. These are minute particles consisting RNA and associated proteins that functions to synthesize proteins. Unfortunately, some of the clips are not included, like arranging and putting labels, since I did not notice that it was not recording. So to make it up, please enjoy a low-budget cinematics after this time-lapse. XG. Tignan nyo. Ayos ba? Angas. Kahit madumi. Pero, yun na nga. Good night.